Okay, good morning. Welcome to Minute Math number 167. This is a problem from the 2012 AMC 8 that the Mathematical Association of America just put out on their Minute Math page today. It's a really cool problem. Are you ready?
Yeah.
The Fort Worth Zoo has a number of two-legged birds and a number of four-legged mammals. On a visit to the zoo, Margie counted 200 heads and 522 legs. How many of the animals that Margie counted were two-legged birds? Okay, now we did a lot of problems like this last year, but over the summer I don't think we've done any problems like this. So you might be a little stale on that, but that's okay. What do you think we need to do to solve this problem?
Well, the number of heads and the number of legs might help us.
Okay, yeah, definitely. Okay, so let me erase, since we don't have our big whiteboard quite yet. So we have 200 heads and 522 legs. Okay, how's that going to help us?
And we're asked to find... Well, finding the number of mammals might help us, the four-legged mammals.
All right, what are we asked to find?
We're asked to find the number of birds.
Okay, what do you want to call that?
Call that X.
X.
And then mammals Y.
Okay, so what can you tell me about X and Y?
Well, I know that X plus Y is 200.
Okay, how do you know that?
From the heads.
From the heads. Each bird has one head, each mammal has one head. The total number of heads is 200. That's X plus Y.
And also,
good job.
2X plus 4Y is 522.
Okay, how did you figure that out?
From the number of legs.
Okay, each bird has two legs, that's the 2X. 4Y is the number of legs each mammal has. So let's write that over here. So X plus Y equals 200. 2X plus 4Y equals 522. Okay, now, like I said, we did some problems like this last year. Do you remember how you solved problems like this?
Well, you can do elimination.
Elimination, okay. So how do you want to do elimination?
Well, it's gonna be, we could subtract up this way.
Okay.
We'd get X plus 3Y is 322.
X plus 3Y is 322, okay.
But that still isn't really helping us find out what X and Y are.
Right, that didn't eliminate a variable. So, but that's okay. That's an interesting first step. And we could use that to help. Do you remember how you eliminate a variable? What do you need to do to eliminate a variable? How about
you need to make the variables equal.
Well, the coefficient on the variable is equal, you mean?
So we can multiply this one times 2.
Okay. So that gives you I'll write it here. 2X plus 2Y equals 400.
And we want to subtract the X.
Okay.
So we're gonna get 2Y equals 122.
Okay, 2Y equals 122.
It means Y, this is the number of mammals.
Yep.
Equals 61.
Y equals 61. Great. So we found the number of mammals.
Now we can plug that in up here.
So that would go X plus 61 equals 200.
And
so
then
X equals what?
X is 139.
139. Okay. And now we can double check. We know that 139 plus 61 is 200. Mm-hmm. All right, what's 2 times 139?
It's 278.
Okay, so 278. What's 4 times 61?
That's 244.
244. And what does that add up to?
It adds up to 5...
Well, just tell me what it adds. 400.
400. And then...
110.
Yeah, and 12.
Which is?
Which adds up to 522.
Great. So the number of birds is?
The number of birds is 139.
High five. Good job, sweetie. Good job. We haven't done a problem like that in a long time, so that's a good working through that.